Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fishkeeping Jamaica. This is Raleigh here. No, I did a video and it was not done to my best work. So I am practically doing over the video, and it was suggested by a few friends of mine that this video, which I did last time, could be cut up into several other videos. So I am doing that. Okay, so enough with that. So the first cut from that video is the fact that you have DIY equal junk. DIY equal junk. Many times when persons does DIY, do it yourself project on YouTube, it's primarily to get a hit. Many persons do DIY, especially in fish keeping, so as to mimic Joey DIY. Yes, that's true. Joey DIY is a unique individual. He does videos in the past that actually invent some really cool techniques in managing your fish keeping experience. I do DIY because it is cheap and it's convenient to me in managing my fish stock. There are several circumstances that might lead you to end up having more junk than actually useful equipment in the future. Let's say that you have invented a really awesome mechanism to manage your fish stock or fish pond. However, after a while, you have actually evolved into something else, and you have changed your mind as to what exactly you're going to be doing. So you have actually designed a system for aquaponics, but after a while the aquaponics for you did not work out that way. But you have actually designed, filtered, the pipes, the fittings, everything. Now you have decided to do a fishroom without the aquaponics. Practically, the equipment that you have actually bought or invented, the things that you have actually invented, put together, is of no more value. It's of no more value, it's of no more use. So really and truly, it is junk. Persons tend to misinterpret what DIY stands for. DIY stands for do it yourself. And there are two main reasons why you do DIY project. One, because the equipment or the item that you are doing DIY is either unavailable, or if it's available, it's very expensive. This video is just to highlight to you the fact that if your DIY project is not reusable in other projects, in other tasks, you're actually creating future junk for your yard, for your house, for wherever you are. And you know what comes with junk, right? Insects and other critters that does not fit well within the family or within the home. So this is just an advice. As we as fish keepers try to be innovative in creating things that make our fish keeping experience very awesome, and we actually get applaud from those persons looking on, we must be mindful of the fact that whenever we design something, it is workable, and it can be, it can transform it into other things that can be usable as it go along. For example, you might use a pipe doing a filtration, but you decide not to do that filtration anymore. You might end up to use that same pipe for something else, whether it be cutting it up to make it small fish that love the hide, go into the caves or something like that. So therefore, you actually be innovative in your creation. This is Riley here for another Fishkeeping Jamaica. I hope that this video makes sense to you. Alright, thank you very much. Have an awesome day. Bye bye for now.